Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it hot. I don't know what I mean when I say my house hot. It hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Now you know what, guys? A hot time now. Because a Christmas time, and that is my favorite time of the year. Guys, we start my Christmas decoration, and listen, a whole heap of work I have to do, you know. I tell you something, I have a whole heap of work to do because it'll go take me like some 10 hours to set up the decoration, but then it'll take me about a hour to pull it back down. You understand me? Anyway, guys, I'm going to start out with my nice beautiful white tree here. And I have my houses. This is not all of my house, this is just some of my house. Okay, when I said I have lots of house, I have lots of house that I've been collecting for the past 35 years now, since I'm collecting these houses. So some of these houses are some $1 million house, you know. You understand me? But the land space is very small because, you know, when you have a little bit of land space, you have to build a lot of house feet so that you have the value. So that's what we have up here. I have my nice two beautiful norm where I use them outside for the summer and inside for the Christmas. Them work beautifully and them do a wonderful job. You understand me? So this is the starting of my Christmas decoration. So here I am trying to make some decoration for my spindles. So I start out here. I went to the dollar store and I get some flowers and some stuff. So I'm doing the spindles here, you know. And here I have my nice beautiful olive tree that my daughter-in-law bought me. You know which daughter-in-law bought me this? Christine. She bought me this olive tree and I love it. Oh, and let me show you now, I like health. The health on the shelf, you know, health, oh, they give a lot of problem and a lot of trouble, or they move your stuff over and over. I have the experience with them last Christmas where the kids them couldn't find nothing, and I let them know the health. Them sit down on the shelf, but when them ready, them is here, and then the next thing you know, them on top of the light, you know, they move all over the place. So, and I love them. So I collect these health also. This is my here, these is I have these a lot of years ago. These are like dark toy, but because they're so pretty and it gives you the Christmas feelings, I just buy up 3 of them and I use them every year. But these are toys for dogs. But I use it for something else and I'm good with that. Here I have my wreath here, you know. A couple of wreaths. So guys, I'm just giving you like a preview of what I am putting out, but there's a lot of stuff. See, boxes of stuff here, boxes of stuff there, and my health, as I said, on the light, you know. Come over here. Oh my gosh, that's why I said it's 10 hours. Boxes again here. This is just decoration for my tree. So I do a little bit of stuff in here, not much yet, you know. So I have this guy here. My Christmas tree is gonna go over there. It's not there as yet, you know. So the box is there for the... What color are you doing? I'm gonna do red, white, and gold. Nice. For this tree here, you know. And how many trees total are you gonna have? How much tree? I'm gonna have 2 big tree, and I think I'm gonna have 2 big tree and 2 small tree. I'm cutting down. I won't have 10 tree in here this year. You know, this year I might buy a live tree though. Really? Just to smell that pine scent. To bring bugs in your house? I'm not gonna have no bugs, you just have to spray it, you know. See my reindeer, but this is a standing reindeer. Oh, and I have my black Santa. Don't take that out yet. So as I said, lots of stuff, you know, lots of stuff. This is another tree. This one here. Just put this out here. I don't know if I'm gonna let it stay here yet. I'm deciding whether I should leave it here. But if I leave it here, the people that won't have nowhere to walk and all the way come Christmas morning. So, but we're gonna make it. How many people do you have here in Christmas? This Christmas coming, I think I might have around 50 people. How much do you normally for breakfast? Well, I usually have about 70 to 80 people, but I chop it down now because you know I get old, I can't host all them people there. So now I gotta chop it down. So about 50, and most of the 50 is just family. Then now I'm gonna come back in here. This is another buckets of ornaments here, bucket over there. The way you see them enough, that's my clipper that I'm using to clip the wires them for my stuff them that I'm making. And I have one tree that I put up here. Don't decorate it yet, but then it's getting there. You know, oh, I got to show you guys this. This is a different village. I just make this. This is very nice. I kind of think I'm finished now, but I'm just waiting for my reindeer. I gotta find the box that have my 2 reindeer into to put on it. So I'm gonna turn the light off and let you guys see how pretty it is with the light off. That's how pretty it is. Very nice, very nice, you know. So guys, I'm showing you just a little bit of the stuff, and I'll be back again to show you some more as I go along in this journey of my very, very special time of the year. Well guys, now it's a new day. So now today, after my shorty girl here come from school, cause you know me call her a little shorty. So
even though we're the same size, but
although she said we are the same size, but I think I'm a little bit taller than her.
when I see people that are a little shorter than me, I feel so tall. Is that how you feel?
Not really. Me just feel like I'm always tall.
Oh. Okay.
But you see, because I'm so tall, and to me, she's just like a little shorty. I'm just consider her a little shorty, you know, because she have short legs.
Okay.
So anyway, guys, now we are gonna do the lighting. We are gonna do the lighting on the tree. As you can see, I start to put some lights on already. So we're gonna finish up the lights on the tree now, because I like to put the lights on first before I do the ornaments, because if not, me have myself a wheel of a trouble. So we'll do the lights, and then after we do the lights, me and my granddaughter here, we're gonna do the rest. So anyway, Cyan, I started, so I'm running that side, so you can go around and put it around to me. I have a special way of wrapping the light around the tree.
Don't you want the front to look good?
Yes, but I'm doing the back, so I'm gonna wrap it. I'm at the back, so don't worry about that yet. What you give me now, this is just gonna be the wrap around, okay? So I like it to come around first. So I like to do the back, and then I like to wrap the lights into the branches. Yeah, I like to wrap it inside of the branches. This way now I put a lot of lights on it.
So you're doing more than one round of the lights?
Oh yeah, so I think I use about 500 lights.
So how many of these are we putting on?
5.
5 of these?
Yeah.
Hey.
Because each one is 100.
I don't think anybody else puts 5 of these on their one dega tree.
Yeah, but okay, because we want the light.
I know what you mean though.
We want it to have lots of light. So because I like when it have lots of light, and I put the light through the branches. You know, I have a different way of doing my kind of lights. Maybe 300.
You can do the 5. I'm just surprised.
But it tends to work with the 5. Why it's 5 is because I wrap it through the branches. So we got 300 lights. So I think we're gonna do 500.
Guys, so we finished putting the lights on, and now we're gonna just light it up to show you guys like what it's looking like so far. And then we have the ornaments. I guess we're doing red color.
Red, white, and gold.
Okay, so the lights are looking nice, not too shabby.
Yeah, the lights is kind of enough, which is good. You know, we have lots of light on it. Yeah, I like what I see here with the lights. So it have 600 lights.
So you end up doing...
I end up doing another 200 at the bottom.
Okay.
Fine lights. Okay.
Alright, so we're just gonna start.
So now we're gonna start to put on the decoration, which is gonna be red, white, and gold. So we have the red over here, and you have the white over there. So I'm gonna start with these. I bought these butterfly at the dollar store. These are nice. I like these ones. Here.
here.
And I like to do a mixture. Red, white, and gold I usually do red and white, but tonight I'm with this one. This year I'm doing red, white, and gold because I love the gold. So my sweetheart, I don't remember if I asked you. So how was the day at school today?
Today was fun.
Anything excited, one? Well,
Yeah.
listen, you know your last year. Listen, my little short years in our last year of high school. You know. So they're supposed to have a lot of things going on. I remember when her dad and her uncle them was going to, they all went to the same school. In them last year, them do a lot of crazy stuff. So I'm just wondering.
Crazy stuff? Like
oh
what?
Yeah, like them do a lot of crazy stuff at school with them. Them make them have parties that they keep. You know, and they do things, you know.
Well, me and my friends, we didn't do no craziness, like nothing too crazy.
I think the girls them would do more. Well, the girls them would do more than the boys them anyway.
More crazy stuff.
Not
just fun stuff.
That's fun stuff. Fun. When I say they do crazy stuff, I mean fun stuff. Like they go to the movie. They went to Mandarin. You know, like they do stuff. They went out because of them last year at school. So they went out and do things. So when I said crazy thing, I don't mean bad thing. You know, I mean, you're your friend, you know, if you want to go to the movie, you want to hang out on one another house and have popcorn. She have to stand up on a stand. You see why I call her Shadi? She said, me and her the same height, but no, I don't stand on a stand yet.
Because you're not putting it up top. But anyways, yeah, so we don't usually go, but we went to Subway today, the one by the No Frills, and we're just chilling there. We got food.
You have to be careful, you know, have no diarrhea.
Right, because I was pooping a little bit after.
You were pooping? You were putting a fart?
After when I got home.
Listen, you gotta be careful. Like, I'm not saying everybody is like that, but them show some Subway. Them show us a Subway, and them show us another meat sandwich place in Mississauga where the man sit down and have
the same one down in Mississauga. In Mississauga,
there's another one that's two of them.
It's the one in Mississauga that they're doing that stuff.
Them have one in Mississauga. I don't know which one, but them have one in Mississauga where the man sit down on the counter with him dirty bare foot. I cut up the food, the meat for make the sandwich. You know, so you know, like people's got to be careful at those places where they might eat.
Okay, so you have this. You have this J. This looks new.
That's my name. That's Mama Joan J. Okay.
This looks new, and it lights up, I think. Or maybe the batteries are not.
It should light up, but I think we probably need to put batteries in there.
Oh, no, you have to.
So guys, we are gonna do the red first, and after we finish with the red.
Yeah, because I'm looking and I'm like, where's the other colors?
Oh, see the white and the gold behind you.
Oh.
So I'm doing the red first, and then we're gonna throw in the gold and the white. Although we're putting a little bit of white inside there. I want to show you, my girlfriend Rose bought me this one. See, it said Joan on it. I don't know where she find it, but she bought me this. I have this about 5 years ago. She bought it for me, and it's still brand new, same way.
So where are you gonna put that one?
So I'm just gonna put it here. And look at this beautiful red bird.
It's a cardinal.
It's a red cardinal bird. My sister-in-law bought this one for me 2 years now since she gave me this one, and it's still standing. I love it. Santa sleigh. Sometime it's kicking a while ago. Some Santa sleigh. So I'm gonna make this sit right here.
Maybe you could put the elf in it. Actually, what's this? Snowman?
This is a snowman head.
Okay.
I make this last Christmas. This is 2 balls and 2 angel wings.
Let me show.
See, the balls and the angel wing look good, eh?
Yeah.
They look neat, yeah. So I make this one.
Okay, guys. So we're practically finished with like all the red. Other than the flowers. But now we're gonna do like finish up the rest of the red, and I'm gonna start putting the white ones on now. So yeah, that's where it goes.
A little blast.
So this is the gold bin right here.
This is the gold bin.
And so you guys can see like what it's looking like after we do the little gold shimmy transformation. Okay guys, so this is one of the clusters that Grandma made, and I think this teacup is actually cool.
So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna put in the gold flowers, the red flowers, and the white flowers, and kind of full up the empty space. Guys, I can see it have hole in it. So with the hole in it now, we're gonna just stuck some flowers in it to fill it up. So we are going to use some red poinsettia flowers and some gold poinsettia flowers and some white roses and some other white flowers. So then we are going to stick in. This decoration that I do is the railing, because I tend to like to make, like, put the stuff them together to put
Make stuff?
Yes,
like DIYs?
Yes, yeah. Look like we only do in the front of the tree, but when we're off camera we do. When we're off camera we do the back, because I'm a window there. I'm like to have my window open, you know. So guys, now we come to the we are winding down to the end of the decoration to the tree. So these are some gold leaf. This is the last part of it. So I'm just spreading out these gold leaves on it. Then after that, I will turn off the light. Oh, shucks! Look how much I forgot. Lord have mercy. No, I'm gonna do a butterfly. I have some gold butterfly. Never remember them. Oh my gosh.
You only have one?
No, I'm supposed to have more, but so far I'm gonna do one, Mrs. So I'm just gonna work on the red ones. Listen guys, I do this thing late, usually from November 1st. All my decoration is up, but because I'm doing some work inside of this place here, it's all messy, so it's taking me a while to get my Christmas stuff sorted out.
Okay, so should I turn the lights off now?
So turn the light off.
What it looks like with the lights on.
And so you guys imagine the angel on top, but it's not there yet.
Okay.
I give it a 10.
And what do you like about it?
I like the decoration. I like the red and white and gold, although you don't see the much of the gold. I see most of the red with the white, but I just love the way it is. It's beautiful, you know. I have a couple more birds, white birds, so when I put my angel up, I'm gonna put like a circle of birds, white birds around the top.
Okay.
You know, plus with 2 gold birds too.
Okay, sounds good.
So that's it. So anyway guys, for this video, me and Cyan, we come to the end of the first Christmas tree video, and we're going to put up another one. So when we're putting back the other one, we're going to do another video again. So we come to the end of this one guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification belly things of mine, so you don't miss a post when Mama Joan posts, and we're in the Christmas groove.
Yes.
All right guys,
All right,
so we see you in the next one. Bye.